Welcome back to your Caribou Data Science channel, Israel. We've already done India, so welcome back, Israel. And before we get started, I do have a favor to ask. That's if you watched the video today, I need you to click on the like button next to the video, okay? Again, also, but thanks for the views of the last 2 days. And again, let's get on with the show now. Because this is Monday, the first Monday of the month, we're also going to be doing a vaccine rollout analysis for the country of Israel. Okay, so what you can see here, Israel has administered 16.7 million doses. Of those doses, 6.57 million have received the first shot, and 5.9 million have been fully vaccinated. What this gives Israel, a 70.7% first shot vaccination rate and a 63.7% full vaccination rate. Okay? Let's swing back over here now, Israel, and let's take a look at your numbers for the year end. And as we can see, you currently have 1.39 million cases, 8,244 deaths. And what you can see here, you can see where your numbers wound up last year for COVID-19 cases. Okay? And you can see the same thing over here. All right? COVID-19 deaths. Now this number here is actually a 7-day moving average. So it gives us at any point along the line is the average cases for the previous 7 days. So you can see for the 7-day period ending January 11th, you spiked at 9,000 cases per day. Okay, but then for the 7-day period ending September the 1st, you were averaging 12,026 cases per day. Then you wound up on December 1st with averaging 767 cases per day for the previous 7 days. Okay. It's a way of getting through some of them the volatility of the data, okay? But that doesn't mean we'll switch to all these. So let's take a look now at COVID-19 deaths in Israel. And here's what you can see on January 27th, your deaths spiked at 92 deaths. The good news is down during the spring and summer, you were low double and single digit deaths for the spring and summer before having this new spike on September the 8th at 56 deaths for Israel for a single day. What about back over here? Well, it's kind of hard to see this, but you can see that, on December the 1st, you had 1 death. And which means you're averaging under 1 death per day. Okay. Again, weekly numbers. Look at these crazy low numbers here. This line here is 10,000. Look at all these weeks when the COVID-19 cases in Israel were under 10,000 per week. Before the spike in August, September, another big dip down here below 10,000 per week. Then you had this right over here. Now, to me, that number is kind of suspicious. Okay, well, why was it so low yesterday when you have to come back over here? Okay, so those are cases. What about deaths? Well, the big declining pattern in deaths here. Okay, the spike here in August, a big declining pattern down here in COVID-19 cases. deaths here in Israel. Okay. Monthly cases, well, you can see they had crazy numbers over here and decent numbers over here. Okay, for cases. What about deaths? We can see they had these low deaths number here, and now they ended up the year with a 3 month in a row decline in COVID-19 deaths. So that may be the best news so far for Israel today. Okay, let's come back over here now. Upload our reports. Okay, so that concludes the report for Israel for today. Again, Israel, my favorite today is if you watch the video, click the like button next to the video. That's how we build up our channel. That's how we get YouTube's attention with likes. So it's very important. If you watch the videos, you need to like the video. Okay, click on the like button next to the video. Again, thanks so much, Israel. I'll see you tomorrow.